Hey, it's Anthony. I've been making NFTs lately and I noticed that you can't transfer a gradient map from Photoshop to After Effects. When you turn this gradient map off, you see it affects the picture quite a bit. This looks pretty cool, but I really want it to look like this. When you bring it into After Effects, it looks like this again because the gradient map doesn't work. You'll need to transfer the gradient map into a LUT that you can use in After Effects. So let's do that. Take the gradient map and duplicate it into a new project. Once it's opened, you won't see much, but go ahead and create a new layer. Pull it down underneath that layer and make it 100% white. Then you'll need to go up to Layers and turn that layer into a background layer. So go Layers, Background from Layer. This needs to be a background layer in order to export it. Then go over to Export and export as color lookup table, also known as LUT. Give it a description. I'm going to call this map for 12. I'm using 3DL for After Effects, but you can also use Cube. Save it into your local assets so you can find it, and go back over to After Effects. Back in After Effects, the first thing you'll want to do is create a new adjustment layer. Then you'll want to go to Effects, Utility, Apply Color LUT. Import your LUT, and you'll see immediately that the LUT behaves just like the gradient map did in Photoshop. And that's it, you're done. That was part one of the video. Part two is going to be working on this artwork and talking a little bit about NFTs. So if you're interested, check it out.